You're always treating the patient. You try and think of that person as someone who could be your relative. Hi, my name is Colby Brown, otolaryngology. I see a lot of people for ear issues. A fair number of people get ear infections. Some of those are, just acute things that happen suddenly. Some of them are people who are having chronic ear issues. A fair number of people come in with hearing loss and try to explain their hearing loss issues to them and kind of the reasons why they have the hearing loss and how they can then deal with it. And then I also see a fair amount of tonsil issues, chronic tonsil infections. A lot of the art of medicine, I think, is listening to the patient and understanding their concerns, because I think when you start talking with the patient, you can kind of get a sense of what they're most worried about and what their main concerns are. I think that's a lot of the art, is kind of teasing out what's actually bothering the person that's in front of you and how do they feel about it. Certainly having all the resources of UH, the ability to refer out to those that you need to, the ability to have easy access to labs and imaging is key. It's very useful for me to tell a patient you can go next door and get a test. It's a very collegial environment and I like it a lot.